In this video, we'll be looking at how to set up and play the award-winning party game, Just One. Are you looking to guarantee more fun and laughter at your next game night? Then stay tuned. Hi all, welcome back to Birds on Board. I'm Pigeon, and today we're doing the channel's first ever How to Play video. Today we'll be going through the cooperative word guessing game, Just One. Designed by Ludovic Rowdy and Bruno Sauter and published in 2018 by Repos Productions, I can personally vouch for how much fun this game can bring to the table. And to test your wits, I've created my own set of Just One clues at the end of the video. Let me know in the comments if you got the mystery word on your first try. But without further waffling, let's get into the setup of Just One. In your copy of Just One, you'll find the following components: a rulebook, a 110 mystery word cards. Now each of these cards has 5 unique mystery words on them, numbered 1 to 5. So that's a total of 110 cards times 5 clues each, for a total of...
Pigeon knew that to find the answer to his riddle, he would need to visit the fabled halls of math. Racking his brains for days, the answer always seemed to slip through his fingers. Anger, frustration, and a sense that this skit had gone on far too long started to plague his thoughts. And then, of course, the answer had decided to reveal itself.
550 unique words that you and your teammates could be guessing. 7 erasable felt markers. Now each of these is in a different color and also comes with a lid that can be used as an eraser as well. And finally, 7 easels. Now these easels serve 2 functions. 1, they can be used to easily place your mystery word card. And secondly, you can use them to write your clues on with the markers. And don't worry about messing them up, as you can use the eraser on the felt tip markers to easily remove your word once you're complete. And that's it. You now have everything you need for a game of Just One. Luckily for us, setup is quite simple and only consists of 3 steps. Let's head to the table. First, we are going to take our deck of mystery word cards and give it a good shuffle. Once fully shuffled, you are going to draw 13 random cards and place them face down in the middle of the table. You can then go ahead and place the rest of the cards back inside the box, as they won't be used for this game. Secondly, we want to give each player an easel and a felt marker. You also want to make sure to break up any emerging fights from players arguing over which color marker they want. And finally, we randomly choose a player to be our first active player. And just like that, setup is complete and we can actually start our first game. Let me show you how gameplay works. What is the objective of Just One? Well, Just One is a cooperative party game, so the primary goal you and your team are striving for is actually a high score. We are trying to make one of the players, the active player, guess the mystery word. We do this by secretly writing clues down on our easels. Without coordinating, we each write just one word on our easel and hope that they are enough to help the active player guess the mystery word. Before showing the active player our clues, we first have to remove any duplicate words that have been written down. So, for example, if the active player is trying to guess the word chocolate, and two players write the same clue down, sweet, we remove those clues and the active player doesn't even get to see them. This forces you to think outside the box and be original with your clues, so you don't end up having the same clue as one of the other players. At the end of the game, we count up our correct guesses to determine our final team score. Let's quickly run through the 4 phases of a regular just one turn. First, we need to select our mystery word. The active player draws the top card from the deck, but doesn't look at it. They then place the card in their easel so the rest of the players can see it clearly. You'll notice that the card has the numbers 1 to 5 written on it. The active player then, without knowing what the words are, selects a number 1 to 5, and that is the mystery word. If for any reason the other players don't understand the word or don't know what it is, they can ask the active player to re-choose another number. Time to start creating some clues. Without communicating with anyone and without showing anyone, each player writes one clue down on their easel. This clue has to be just one word. There are some types of words you can't use as clues. Your clue can't be in the same family as the mystery word. So if the mystery word is lion, I can't write the word lioness. You can't write the mystery word in another language. I can't write the word fromage if the mystery word is cheese. A word phonetically identical but with a different meaning is not allowed. So I can't write the word flower, like baking flour, if the mystery word is flower, like a rose. And finally, I can't invent words. So no using the word try knife to hint at the mystery word fork. Once all players have finished writing down their clues, the active player closes their eyes. During this time, the other players will turn around their easels and start comparing their clues with each other. All invalid or duplicate clues will be cancelled. And to cancel a clue, you merely tip over your easel so the word is hidden. What types of clues are considered duplicates? Well, 2 identical words like mouse and mouse won't be allowed. Variants from the same word family like prince and princess are also considered duplicates. Finally, plurals, gender differentiations, and spelling mistakes don't count as actual differences and are still seen as duplicates. If for some reason all clues at this point have been cancelled, you can take your card, put it back into the box, and move straight to the end of turn phase. Once all duplicate and invalid clues have been removed, we ask the active player to open up their eyes and try to guess the mystery word using the remaining clues. To do this, they are allowed only one guess, just one. Now, depending on what the active player guesses, one of 3 results could occur: a success, a failure, or a skip. If the active player correctly guesses the mystery word, put that card in a face-up pile next to the deck. Congratulations, you've won your team a point. If the active player makes an incorrect guess, return this card and the top card of the deck to the game box. Unfortunately, you've lost 2 potential points. If the active player is not sure what the word is, they can choose to not answer and skip their turn. If they do this, they merely return the current mystery card back to the box and lose out on 1 potential point. And that's it. Turn complete. The player to the left of the active player becomes the next active player. And don't forget, between turns, make sure to erase your clues from your easels. The game ends when the deck is empty. We then go ahead and count our successfully guessed cards and compare that against this table in the rulebook to get our team's final rating. As a side note, this is a party game, so scoring is optional. If you're looking just to have a few laughs with some friends, go for it. Ignore the scoring for now. But that's it. You now know how to play just one. Congrats! But let's test your wits. Let's see if you can guess my mystery word using the following clues. Welcome to my super hard, ultra deluxe, super duper test your wits challenge for just one. The game is simple. Guess the mystery word using the clues I've provided. Guess correctly and be marked as a legend. Guess incorrectly and be forced to comment down below that I am the trickster king. The clues are as follows: peel, potassium, fruit, curved, long, yellow, and slip. You have 5 seconds to make your guess. Let's see if you guessed correctly. And as we can see from this clearly unedited card, the answer is plantain. Thank you for playing, and please don't forget to comment if you have been made a fool. Well, there you have it, folks. That's how you play just one. What games are you keen to learn next? Please leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tabletop goodness. Thank you so much for joining me on Birds on Board. I've been Pigeon. May your dice rolls be ever in your favor, and happy gaming. Take care.